What's going on, guys? Today I'm doing a quick video on making a simple stop block that will work with the T-Trax I installed for my miter station. Now, if you're wondering why someone would want to have a stop block in this setup, it's really to make repetitive cuts quicker and more consistent. So for example, when I made my garage shelves, just for the frames I had to cut, 36 different pieces, but there were only 3 different sizes for the cuts, right? Well, every time I cut something, I had to put the wood I was going to cut on the bottom, my piece of guide wood on top, try to get the ends perfectly lined up, and then score the cut line with a pencil, then move the guide piece of wood away when I actually made the cut. With a stop block, I could use it as a physical stop for my first piece of wood, make sure that cut is measured out correctly, and then just continue to put the new pieces of wood against the same stop block and be pretty confident that all the consecutive cuts are going to be super close to the first. Again, a lot quicker and a lot more consistent. There really is no magic in making this super simple stop block, but I did pick up these dovetails from my local Woodcraft. Now all these are screws that have a green thingy on the bottom to keep it in the track, and another green thingy on top to screw it all tight. We just drill a hole in our wood for the screw, and it's pretty much a done deal. You can tell how much planning went into this particular project when I tried to make it work with a 2x4. After drilling the hole and putting the screw in, I immediately saw the 2x4 is going to be too big for what I picked up. That's okay. I had some thinner wood in my garage, so I just picked up something that would fit the bill, cut off a small bit of it, drilled a hole, and then put the screw in. And just like that, I was done.